What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage. It's day 2 of our Camaro Fest trip. We're in New Mexico, headed to Arkansas. Lots of places to go, going through Texas, going through Oklahoma, and getting to Arkansas, whatever. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day, and I started off the day with a dead GoPro because I left it on all last night like a newbie. So let's get her charged up and hit the road. That sun is not cool right now. Not cool. Pops is driving. I mean, Walter White. What? No, I'm relaxing right now because my dad took first shift in driving today. We got about 10 hours worth of driving to Arkansas. We'll be passing through the rest of New Mexico, going through Texas, Oklahoma City, and then get to our destination just above Fort Smith, called Van Buren. But it's the journey. So we're cruising right now. We're in New Mexico, in the middle of nowhere, and let's see some epic time lapse. Because it's cool seeing the country, right? Yeah, let's do it. I think we're still in New Mexico. Pretty sure. But it is a lot of nothing. Nothingness. Open country. Right now. I have no idea where that's going to land us, but we'll find out. So let's do it. So, Dad, the internet has called you Stone Cold Steve Austin, just a little bit older, Walter White, and a couple other things. What do you think about that?
What can I say?
No comment, basically?
Nope. It's been a lot of fun.
So we're going to be passing through Amarillo, not too far away from your hometown where you grew up, Lubbock.
Yeah. This old truck's going to really want to go right. I'm going to have to really fight it. No. They're all going to be bad, though. I just passed within a few miles of there. Especially Oklahoma.
Oklahoma. To my stepsister Michelle, we love you, but maybe I'll try to hit you up and see where we're going. If we have to get gas in Oklahoma, I'll let you know where. And or was it Michelle or Lisa? I think it's Lisa. Sorry, Lisa, not Michelle. Michelle's where? Where is she at right now?
Lubbock.
She's in Lubbock. So yeah, I'm confused. Family, lots of family. We'll see. We'll hit them up. Maybe you can meet my stepbrother's wife, and I don't know if we'll see him or not, but we're basically passing through fairly close to where they're at. So we'll see. We are officially in Texas, the greatest state of the country. Is that true? I don't know. That's just a statement I've heard from people. My dad's from Texas, so he's a little biased. I don't know. But we're crossing up the upper part of Texas right now, basically headed into Amarillo, and then from there, Oklahoma City. Again, still land of emptiness, semi-trucks, and more emptiness. So, good times. We did stop in, whoa, that truck getting a little sway. What was it? Why am I forgetting the name of the place we just
Chisholm.
Chisholm, that's it. We just stopped in Chisholm, New Mexico, filled up in gas. We'll probably have to fill up with gas before we get all the way through Texas. I think it's about 300 miles to cross the tip part of Texas, if I'm not mistaken. I probably am mistaken, but my dad's continuing on the trek. He's putting in the time this morning. It was me yesterday. We'll probably switch up next stop. Next time we got to get gas. And yeah, now it's off to our next gas stop. Actually, probably lunch stop. Really, it's probably one and the same. So we're about 3 hours on fuel. Now that we're more in the flatlands, I'm really curious to see what kind of fuel mileage the truck is getting. Right now, it's not getting very good mileage, 11.9 miles. just been better to drive the Camaro. Oh no, it's getting, well, we're getting 13 miles a gallon on this flat land now. I just reset it to see what we were getting now that we're not going up huge mountains. So I don't know, I'll report back. I'll let you guys know. Yeah, Texas, we're in ya, and we're gonna be out of you soon into Oklahoma. So let's get there. So for all y'all who are in Amarillo, I'm jealous. Your guys' gas is $2.49 a gallon. I can't even get E85 for that price in California. Dude, I need to move to Texas. What do you guys think? Should I move to Texas? Post below in the comments. We have made it to Oklahoma. Thank you, Texas, for being awesome and letting us drive right on through you. And now we are headed to get some fuel and some lunch. I think we're gonna go for a quick stop, and my camera's going the wrong way. We're gonna go a quick stop, do some Subway, get fuel here in, I think it's Eric, Oklahoma, off Sweetwater, something like that. I don't even know. My voice is getting more country the closer we get into these. I don't know. So it's been a good cruise. We're still about, what are we? Oh, I don't know how far we are. We're probably still 5 hours out from our final destination, which is good because that puts us there right when we need to be. So fuel, food, here we go. Dad, how you doing? You've been driving for a while.
Marvelous.
Nice glasses. Sweet. Well, the scenario we hoped that wouldn't happen, it didn't happen. Well, not to me anyways. Our trailer's good, but Gen 5 DIY trailer, I didn't even notice they had a flat. Someone had to flag them down. Lost a rear tire, but Ofer's always prepared. He's got 2 spares in the trailer. And this is the aftermath of what's left right here. Yeah, that trailer's not pretty. Our tire's not pretty. We'll pick that up, throw it in the truck. We've already buttoned it up because we got the new tire on, but it happened. We 3 amigo'd it. Myself, Alex, and Ofer, we tag team this bad boy. Done. We're out. We're off. Arkansas. Oh, that booty looks good. Oh, looking so good. And actually that rain didn't make my car that dirty because you know why? I had bead maker on it. I bead maker coated that. It rained on us again. Storm number 6. Looking good. I like bead maker. Now my truck, on the other hand, it's not bead made. Yeah, let's get back on the road. Peace. Well, we made it through Oklahoma City. I don't know where the heck we're at. We're at some Loves off the 40. We're about, I think, well, actually here. How far are we away from destination currently? 2 hours and 13 minutes. That time is actually going up, which means there's probably traffic. So arrival time 5:48, which is still well ahead of time of meeting anybody up. So good times. Let's hit the road again. Let's do it. Okay guys, we are here, and I call it Arkansas because it's like Arkansas, but it's really Arkansas. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. They're all looking at me like, I'm gonna stab you right now. Say my state right. River Valley Camaro Club's here. Northwest Arkansas has come out to, they just come to work, welcome. They brought their beautiful, there are a lot of really nice cars here. The only thing we could do is check them out. There's a nice 4th gen. See, we got everything. Last stop we have 3rd gen. This stop we get 4th gen, and then we get to Bowling Green. They gotta have all the gens. So let's check out all the cars and say hi to everybody. Say hi, hi. You guys say hi to everybody on. You guys are so quiet. Okay. We need to wake them up. Let's go check out cars. there you have it. We're in Arkansas. Huge shout out to River Valley Camaro Club for coming down, and Northwest Arkansas, Northwest Arkansas. I think it is Camaro Club, for coming out. Thank you for the hospitality. Thanks for giving me a chance to meet all you guys and see your beautiful cars. There's a lot of beautiful cars here. And yeah, until the next stop. So the next drive or stop is Bowling Green, Kentucky. Gonna do some things. We're gonna get in Wednesday night. I think we're gonna go to the Corvette Museum on Thursday after all the track stuff happens. We'll see. So it's gonna be good times. Stay tuned for tons of coverage at the event. Tons of coverage, or hopefully of me driving my car at Camaro Fest and all that greatness. I think it's gonna be a good time. It's been fun so far, this road trip. So, and it's already humid outside. I love it. So as always, guys, likes, comments, shares if you appreciate, or if you like this content, appreciate it. I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button if you want more info on Camaros, Dodge, Camaro Lethal Garage, Camaro Fest, all this stuff. Our Lethal Dad. Hi, Lethal Dad.
Hello.
Yeah, so until next time, guys, hope to see you on the road.